Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I'd like to share with you a fragrance from Yves Saint Laurent, or YSL, and that's Black Opium. It's floral with a bit of sexy musk. It's in the warm and spicy family. It's more of a fall fragrance and a nighttime fragrance. The notes are black coffee, white flowers, and vanilla. It is feminine, highly addictive, and it dries down ever so softly, leaving you with just a kiss of the fragrance. It is absolutely beautiful. It is such an enchanting fragrance. It really is enchanting, and it just envelops all your senses. And I believe that this would be another great addition to your perfume collection. It's been a perfect addition to mine, and I wanted to share that with you. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. As always, be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Simply pay it forward. Until next time, goodbye.